Hello, I'm Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, and today I'm standing on one of our last 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDXs. This boat is powered by a stern drive 300 horsepower Mercury Cruiser engine. It has the Bravo 3 outdrive. The hull is Sea Ray blue, quintessential dark blue. And starting here at the swim platform, you'll notice it's covered in a gray sea deck material, and it has the fold down swim platform. The sunbed is large on this boat, to say the least, on a 25-foot boat. It also has a tilt-down backrest, so you can get a little bit extra room or use it as a bolster for your head. Freshwater washdown, USB ports, cup holders at every seat position. This particular boat has the flagpole option. As you'll see here, this is your fuel filler, and you do have a close-off door to keep the pets and the shoes and the kids safe and inboard. Right here in the walkthrough, we have a built-in cooler. It drains overboard, so at the end of the day, you just take your stuff and go home and let it drain overboard. And I'll show you a few neat features we have in the cockpit of this boat. Welcome to the cockpit of the 250 SDX. There is ample seating for 14 people on this boat, and you can see it easily. Plenty of storage underneath here. Now this is the stone interior. We have gray sea deck to complement it. Plenty of storage again. This seat, the helm seat. When you're underway, obviously it's in this position. It does have a fold up and down bolster, but once you drop anchor and you're hanging out at the sand hole, this can be locked in several different positions. Join the party. There's no need for that seat up there. Join the rest of your guests. Again, you have cup holders next to every seat, USB chargers on both sides of the boat, grab handles for safety. And we do have the ski tow arch right here. It's powder coated white. Get any top will fold aft forward. Over here to the port side, we have a Bluetooth stereo system. Glove box moving back to the helm. We have digital throttle and shift control. This is the dual digital dash by Simrad. They're 9-inch displays, and all your hot buttons easily accessible. Again, more cup holders, USB ports, additional charging ports. Now, for a very important feature for some people, this 25-foot boat has an enormous head. It also converts to a storage or even a bunk area. Come on in and take a closer look. This has an electric vacuum flush head. It has a sink. And you'll note some cushions down there. Those actually fill in that area above the toilet, so it can be used, again, for additional storage or as a little bunk area. So getting a little chilly at the end of the day and your ride home, no sweat. This windshield completely closes off. You have a wind door. All your guests, including the ones all the way back at the transom, that have the wind go up and over their heads. So come on up to the bow. Take a closer look. So easy this flips the other way. This is the money right here. Plenty of seating for all your guests. As with the cockpit and the transom, USB chargers, cup holders, grab handles, speakers, and this is where your anchor would be stored. We do have a freshwater washdown at the front of the boat, so if you got sand on your feet coming up on the boat, you can rinse off, or just on a hot day, you can kind of hose yourself off with some fresh water, and plenty of storage under all these seat cushions. So my name is Mark DiMatteo from MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Sea Ray 250 SDX stern drive. Give me a call, stop by. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about this boat. I look forward to getting you out on the water.